What's up, guys? Mike here. Today I got another stock for you that is a high-powered growth cloud software based company that I am going to be starting to build my position in a quick swing trade. Now this stock is extremely volatile, so you need to be very careful as to timing, when to get in and also when to get out. And this is a stock that I recommend to a lot of people that you should not marry, because this stock moves up very quickly and it drops like a tank very quickly. And of course that stock is none other than Fsly, ticker symbol FSLY. I have traded this stock several times, and I've made several profits on this, and this is why I am recommending it. It has just finally hit a nice support level, but this support level may not hold. That is why I'm telling you, you need to be very careful getting into this stock. Now we're going to go over some earnings, what this company does very quickly, and then we're going to go dive into the stock chart, and we're going to do some options at the end of the video, so make sure to stay tuned for that. So anyways, guys, there's a possibility of making at least 1,000% return on your money with this stock if you do options return, or you can make over a 40% return on your money regardless if you just buy the shares instead. So with that said, let's waste no further time. Make sure you guys always smash that like button, hit subscribe, and with that said, let's begin. Yeah! Fsly is a cloud computing company. They are a CDN, which pretty much means a content delivery network company that helps users view digital content much more quickly, so they optimize viewers' experience. They also provide security, video delivery, and also edge computing services. They have a huge customers like Wayfair, Shopify, Fubu, Virgin Money, and also one of their number one is TikTok, which brings majority of their revenue. So they are a very successful business, and they are growing at a very rapid rate. Unfortunately, they had a double miss in EPS by 3 cents, and revenue was missed by $35,000, which is not very significant. But on the other hand, their total customers did grow from 1,951 to 2,047, and also which is pretty much a decent increase for this company. But also, which is something that is much more astronomical, is their revenue growth that is up 42.6% year over year. Even though they missed it by 35% of their revenue of 71 million, that's still not bad. I think this company is doing pretty well. They are a high growth company, fast cloud software, and pretty much they have a bright future, so they have a lot of potential to grow, and this is definitely something that investors are looking for. Anyways, let's move on to one of my favorite parts of the video, and that is the stocks charts on stockcharts.com for Fsly, ticker symbol FSLY. And as we can see, like I told you guys, this is a extremely high volatile stock, and it drops like a freaking tank. It drops astronomically. Look at that huge downfall that they had the past few days, this whole week. Bang, 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 and finally Friday it started to move back up. Right now, let me tell you guys where I think is a good start to be buying. Right now, it seems that it is holding the $80. This is the 50-day moving average. As you can see, 50-day moving average, and I don't like following the 50-day moving average, but however, if we look at it, the last time it was held was on its 50-day moving average. It also held it a couple of months ago here on 50-day moving average, and also here on 50-day moving average. So we can not so confidently say this is a good support, but with a little bit of confidence, we can say this can be a pretty good support zone to start adding some shares. However, like I told you guys, this stock can drop like a tank, and it could go somewhere in the $60s and $70 range. So definitely you want to be careful on that, and that's what I want you guys to be very careful mostly on, is how fast and how volatile this stock is. And now, if you can stomach a $10 to $15 drop, which I personally cannot, that's why I would not load up heavy around this $80 zone unless I get the 5 to 20-day moving average going on. All right, I need this stock to hold its 20-day moving average. Right, it must. It is necessary to start holding it. And before I ever buy, it has to hold the 5-day moving average. The 5-day moving average has to be pretty bullish, or I will not add, because it's just ridiculously risky to do something like that. Because like I said, this could drop somewhere in the 70s and $60 very quickly. All right, so you need to keep your eye on this stock at all times until it starts holding support. Now, Monday might be a very green day, and we might start seeing it moving up. And as long as it moves up for a few days, 3-4 days, that's fine. It's fine to not hit it at the bottom, right? It's okay to miss the bottom, to not buy it at the $80, and it goes to 85 and you start buying it at 85. That is okay, right? You don't have to get the maximum profit return always, all right? So as we can see, this was the stage 1 for this stock, right? Around $80 last time. It went to stage 2 breakout. It did a crazy breakout. Hit 122, went to stage 3. It just started going sideways. And then we are in a massive, massive stage 4 decline this past previous week. And hopefully we are starting another stage 1 again, and it's going sideways. The RSI has been massacredly dropping really quickly, and this is the area that I personally do like buying. All right, I do like buying around the 30 RSI and below. I do like that. But as we can see, histogram is pointing fully downwards. All right, there is no sign of recovery. There's no sign of any uptrend. Even on Friday, where there was a nice bullish uptrend, this histogram still pointed a heavy downward chart. All right, this was a full-on sell zone right there, right? MACD told you, our TSI told you, sell, get the heck out. Now we need a crossover. We need something to tell us it is going to be bullish and time to buy it, right? Right now, there is no bullish signal for us to get in. That's what makes it very risky. There's nothing here, right? This could be the bottom. As long as we start forming a box here, we need to form a box like what happened here. There was like a 3 to 5 day box forming. As you can see, we had a box here, right? This is the 5-day moving average that I'm talking about. If this does not hold, it would have dropped like a tank, but this did. Now, this could happen the same thing, right? This may not hold, right? This may not hold. We need a 5 days of nice little uptrends coming here and there and showing us, okay, the stock is now bullish. Even though it might go to $80, $90, it is okay that it is doing that, all right? It is fine. All right, it is okay to miss $5 of it uptrending because we have a $120 target. All right, that's my target zone. Start selling around $110 to $120 area. It is very possible this stock will move back to $110, $120 in a very relatively short time, because like I said, this is a high-powered growth stock. It moves very quickly, and it could drop like a rock very quickly. So you need to be careful. We need to see this RSI start moving up, trending up, telling us that it is going to be growing. All right, we need this. We need a 5-day moving average holding up here. We can't just get in for no reason saying, okay, I think this is the bottom. Thinking is not going to help you. Liking a stock is not going to help you. What's going to help you is following the charts precisely and going based on the trend that the chart is going. Just because the chart held 1-day support does not mean it's bullish. The chart needs to hold 1 or 2 days to be bullish, right? If the chart is holding only 1 day bullish, and then we got 5 days, 6 days of destructive bearish going downtrend, we don't want to be in something like this, all right? We could get destroyed another $10, $15, right? You do not want to drop $10, $15. Now, don't get me wrong. Right now, the stock has dropped significantly, a 42% drop from here to down here, and that could be good. That could be good because this could hold up here, right? If you're going to take that risk, don't add big here. Add few shares. Do not add big. Add just a few shares to build your position, and then once you see a nice bullish uptrend, you can go heavy. So I'm going to give you guys 2 recommendations on options that you can choose from. Now, you have to be able to assess your risk yourself on how much you're willing to lose, because options, of course, are always high risk. And what I said is it could go back to the $120 range, and that would be my target. You getting a April 16 buy a call option. Now, this one is relatively cheap. It's only $1.41. You could do that. The only thing is right now, open interest is extremely low on pretty much a lot of these, right? We're barely even getting 1,000 people interested until you choose the $100 option, which is safe. This is a lot safer because you're a lot closer to the money. And I don't know if it's going to hold the $80 right now. Like I said, I'm not going to get into this unless it holds a 5-day moving average. So you need to make sure you are choosing the right time to get into this option play. All right, just because I posted this video does not mean quickly go jump into this option play. Quickly go buy shares. It means watch the stock, see how it moves the next few days. If you see it's holding support, get in. If it's not, stop, wait, look at it, watch a few days of it going by. It's okay to miss a few dollars of uptrend. That way you're still safe. And then once it starts breaking out, which I'll show you what a breakout is, all right? We need a stage 2 breakout is what I like to call it. This is a stage 2 breakout. All right, this was holding support, and then stage 2 breakout, stage 2 breakout. We need something like this. We need it to go to stage 1 and then a stage 2 breakout. And that's okay to buy a stage 2 breakout. It's okay to buy it right here around the 40 to 50 RSI because that's telling us that it's an uptrend and it's safer. But if it's not, you don't want to get burnt, all right? And another option you can choose from is the June 18. This is a lot safer. I highly recommend you getting the farther out option because volatility is crazy on this stock. It could move astronomically like a rocket to the moon, to Jupiter, to Saturn, whatever planet you like to go to, it could move there, all right? But it could drop to hell, okay? It could go from Earth to hell, right? You don't want to be going from $80 to $60. That is going from Earth to hell. We want to go to the moon. That's why you definitely want to choose. I would specifically say go with the June 18th. Thanks again for watching my video. As always, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so YouTube could alert you when my next video comes out. Also, guys, feel free to add me on Instagram. I pretty much post there daily. I post anything I buy, sell on Instagram, so make sure to follow me there. And also, guys, my Patreon page will be coming out sometime by the end of this week or beginning of March, so make sure to stay tuned for that if you want to learn all about my trades, what things I suggest, or you want to get into exactly the specific stocks and that I have, or if you want to join my membership that I'm having exclusive VIP for few people that they can do a mentorship with me, and I'd be happy to have you along with that. Anyways, guys, leave a comment below. Let me know what other questions that you might have regarding the stock or any other stock, or you'd like me to do a video on a specific stock. Leave a comment below. Let me know. I'd be happy to answer you guys out. And also, guys, right now, WeBull has a promotion where they are giving 4 free stocks, 2 when you just sign up to use their platform, and 2 more when you make a deposit of $100 or more. WeBull will give you 4 free stocks, and they'll have 2 with a minimum value of $8 all the way up to $1,600. Check out the link in the description box below. If you want another free stock, FirstTrade gives out pretty good stocks. Check out that one. And if you want another free stock, Robinhood gives out pretty good stocks. And right now, when you make a deposit of $3,000, Robinhood will give you $150. It's a 5% match that they're doing right now until the end of this month. So make sure you do not miss that out. Thanks again for watching my video. And until next time, make money with Mike.